In this video, I will share with you step-by-step instruction and information how to make cornmeal dumpling. Cornmeal dumpling is very easy to make. Just simple, follow these easy step-by-step instruction for sure. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to get notified when I do more video like this. Highly motivate me to do more video like this, that's for sure. To make my cornmeal dumpling, I'll be using 1 pound of all-purpose flour. Yes, 1 pound of all-purpose flour, and you can use any flour of your choice, any brand. I'll be also using 1 cup of cornmeal, and you can use any brand of your choice. I'll be also using 1 teaspoon of salt, table salt. To bring my dough or my mixture to a dough, I'll be adding a cup of water for starter. So I'll be starting with 1 cup of water, and then I will have a next cup of water on standby to bring me through my mixing process. What we are trying to achieve here is bringing this mixture to a dough. If you guys used to play with Play-Doh when you were a kid, that's what you would like it to feel like when it comes to a complete dough. You don't want it to be too soft, and you don't want it to be too hard. So I try to use the Play-Doh to explain what you would want it to be like, sorry. So it's best to add the water from time to time to get it, because if you put too much water and it becomes too soppy, then you would have to add more flour or cornmeal to fix it. So it basically cannot spoil, but if you don't have any more cornmeal and flour, then you want to keep it right and get it right by adding the water stage by stage. All you're trying to achieve is just a dough. After this mixture has come to a dough, you can put it to rest for a while. If you do have your pot with water boiling and ready, then you could go ahead, start making dumplings. They will come out and taste the same. So first you just want to get the dough that right texture and thing. That's it. So now I have my dough ready. I'm gonna put it aside and make my dumpling as soon as the pot with boiling water is ready. Alright, I guess my pot with boiling water is now ready. So I will make my dumplings and add to my pot with boiling water. If you're making dumpling for the first time, don't worry about if you don't get it looking neat and fine. Practice over a period of time, you will get it right. So you can see my pot bubbling. So the pot, you don't want to put the dumplings in the pot with cold water. The water must be boiling. That's how you get your cornmeal dumpling right. So cornmeal dumpling, put all the ugly pieces to the center, roll like a ball, a little less like Play-Doh, karate chop, spread. That's it. Repeat the process until finish. Based on the size dumpling you want, that's the piece you tear apart. Press, spread. Tear the piece, push all the ugly pieces of the rough end to the center, roll like a ball, press, spread. See? Perfect. And remember, you can check out my video with how to make flour dumpling from scratch. So this is cornmeal dumpling. The next video is white flour dumpling. So you mean it don't have any cornmeal in it. Same process, just different mixture. So you can check the link above in this video, or there'll be a link below. See my video with how to make flour dumpling from scratch. This is cornmeal flour dumpling. This is a mixture of cornmeal and flour. And you can do the proportion where you can add more cornmeal than flour, and you can add a 50-50, and you can add less. Just do it to your desire. Spinners. So you normally put spinners in like soup or stew peas, whatever you want to put in it, there's no rule. Spinners are more easier. It's nothing on cornmeal dumpling. So that's it. Complete. Okay, so this is my pot with my cornmeal dumpling, and do remember your cornmeal dumpling can cook.
Remember we are cook cornmeal dumpling, so
yam, bananas,
put cornmeal dumpling,
Irish potato, and etc. They can cook in the same pot if you wish to do so. If you don't want to do that, you can cook them all separate, not a problem. So here I'm just sharing my cornmeal dumpling in this plate to display my cooked dumpling. So my dumpling is come to a final cook.
Cornmeal dumpling.
So there you have it. Cornmeal dumpling ready to eat. Just like that. So this is a plate with 3 cornmeal dumpling, piece of sweet potato, Irish potato, and piece of yellow yam. So this can serve with just about anything: curry chicken, stewed chicken, jerk chicken, callaloo, steamed callaloo, steamed cabbage, ackee and saltfish, steamed fish. Make the guess what this one will serve with. Steamed fish. If you say steamed fish, yes, right. So we're gonna put us a fish on this in this dish. Yep.
I rest of one fish on this. Different. Come on, get some of them okra and thing up on this thing.